Now we are going to practice Pada Chakra. Inhale and raise both the legs till 45 to 60 degree. And now let's practice outer rotations. 1, 2, 5 rounds. 3, spread your legs as far as possible. Knees should be kept straight, kept extended throughout the practice. After 5 rotations, relax. Relax as much as you want to continue with inner rotations. Now get ready. Start in base position, starting position. Inhale and raise legs till 45 to 60 degrees. Now let's do inner circle, Pada Chakra. 2, feel the asana, feel the abdomen. 4, 5. Slowly bring your legs downwards, then relax. Good. Get ready. Now let's do Pada Chakra second variation. Imagine a big clock in front of your legs. We start with getting ready in the base position. Inhale and raise both the legs. Keep both legs together throughout the practice and make clockwise rotation 5 times. Now here is 2. Keep your legs extended, knees extended. 3. While the leg goes up, inhale. While the leg comes down, exhale. Synchronize the movement with the breathing. If you want rest in between, you can relax, rest in Savasana, and then continue the practice. Once you feel you can do the asana, now continue. Get ready. Inhale and raise both the legs till 45 to 60 degree and perform counterclockwise rotations. 1. Give big rotations. Do as big as possible. Good. Relax.